Mama face.
Gapyong Begonia Bird Park. Hi guys!
Guys, papapasok na kami ngayon dito sa Gapyong Birds Park and ito na ang mga baby namin. Ito na mga baby namin, oh.
Medyo mainit kaya nagkaroon na kami.
Ganito na namin sila, oh.
Pinagbigyan na namin ng karte.
Thank you so much sa tourism dito sa Korea. Dahil talagang ginanito nila kami. Let's go. We will go first to the flower zone. So kakabukas pa lang nila. Oh. Talagang alam mo, talagang nasa ibang bansa, Korea ka talaga, oh. Talagang maglinis doon, oh. Let's go! Guys, ang ganda, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang ganda. Pwede ka magpupo dyan. It's a real flower.
Flowers, oh. It's real.
Begonias. Is this real flower?
Yeah, sure.
We want fake flower.
We have some.
So this is begonia. The name is Doris. Guys, ang ganda talaga. Pwede mong ikutin dito ng ikutin. At makikita ka ng maraming mga flowers. I love it kasi ang lamig dito sa loob. And you can see different kinds of flowers.
System here, no?
1, 2, 3, go!
One, na lama.
What?
The best siya, guys, kasi it's relaxing to the mind. Masarap kasi pag makikita ka ng mga flower. Tignan mo yun, oh. Tsaka pag nakikita ko ng flower, parang gusto kong mag-kiss. Guys, eto na talaga. So, ang ganda talaga dito, oh. Para kang nasa, ano yung paradise? Eden Garden. I was born to love you with all. You want to see the real flower? What can you say, Stay? Ang ganda.
Oh.
A mirror room. It's a fiesta room.
Hanging flower.
Parang kung ano, piliin mo ang Philippines. Guys, it's like a forest. Guys, ang ganda, oh. See this. Guys, where are you?
Cha-cha-cha!
Let's go to the bird zone. May pamilya ko. Ayan na nga ang pamilya ko. Nakalabas na rin sila sa airport.
Dito airport.
Ay, sorry.
Papa, an owl! An owl!
An owl? Lagyan mo na ng tea para towel.
Owl?
Owl?
Kaya nga, lagyan mo na ng tea para towel.
Let's go inside the owl.
Kamusta ka? Wow!
Guys, you can see the more different animals. Birds. Guys, ayun na yung isa na bird!
Papang, all the birds here. But I want more is your bird.
Bakit ako na yung bird?
Everybody wants to see the bird. Guys, makikita na natin ang mga iba't ibang kind of birds.
Ayun po.
Alam mo, baka pa-artist yun kasi sa amin yan, oh. Oh! This one. Stoy. Guys, dito.
Mama, be careful daw because they can poop.
Gusto mo yan?
Ganyan.
Okay.
Mama, be careful.
Can we try?
Okay, tatata.
With the family.
Very heavy.
Papa, they're touching me.
Picture, man. Sabi ko na. Picture. Ay, picture na. Kamay ko kinakain niya yung zipper mo.
Papa, mas naging marami sa akin.
Okay na.
Papa!
Okay na, magtagumpayan namin ng mga bird, kaya let's go na. What is kind of animal? Apa? Lama. Alpaca pa pala. Ayan na ang mga alpaca kids. Yan, oh.
Ah, ayan na. Mga lama. Yan yung nasa yung anak yung naruan mo dati, yung lama.
Parang ilang aso yung aso na kuan. Yung aso na malaki.
Para silang mga...
May laruan sila niyan eh. Lah, ang cute. Try natin silang tawagin. Guys, ganito kaliit ang food nila. Apakalaki nila.
Guys, on diet daw sila.
Alpaca pa. They are so exhausted with the heat of the sun. Uy, yung ngipin niya parang ngipin namin. Palabas.
Uy, nakawa ko dyan sa isa.
Mama ko, guys.
Ano talaga pala matulog.
Ay, kamukha siya ni ano.
Very good. Uy, tinatch mo.
Nandito na sila lahat.
They're coming. Uy, tinatch mo.
Lari, 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 ra. Lari, lari.
Chiko, chiko. Chiko, chiko.
Hello. May kala mo kayong mga aso.
Lama.
May aso na malaki. Ito tawag din aso na malaki.
Hello. Ayuyuyu.
Huwag ko ilayo.
Mama, pwede mapunta ang fur niya sa akin. Mama, baka
Picture nyo kami. Tingnan kami, oh.
Yung mata niya napakalaki. Eh,
Ano?
si Bridget.
Ano, gusto mo na tayo mag-usap tayo? Sinabi ko sa'yo, diba? Dadalawin kita, pero andito na ako.
Ay.
Sabihin mo sa mga kapatid natin.
Yeah, baka kulay kayo ng bukla.
Upos kami ng ngipin ni ma'am. Smile.
may goat daw.
Yung ngipin namin yung palabas lahat ba yung palabas? They are not biting to the human? No?
Ay, spit.
Ito, nag-spit sila.
They spit! Baka ma-spit niya ako yan!
Pero gusto nila tayo kung hindi pa na tayo i-spit. Kamsamida! Kamsamida! Guys, ang ganda dito guys, oh. This is a sanctuary.
There you go.
Cute! Rose!
Ay,
Pakain ka lang dyan. Sabi ng mga daga, yung daga, ng mga kambing yung hiya ng
Huwag mong kainin! Papa, ikaw na nga. Ang kadirin niya kumain.
Okay, hindi naman yung bata.
Sabi nung goat ba, mukha lang naman tayo. Huwag ka parang magpakit-kit sa akin. Ito yung masarap na mga gala ba na magmuni-muni ka tapos maisip mo ba na grabe talaga pang nakarating tayo dito. Sino mo mag-isip na makarating kami dito na parang lang naman kami mga sipunin doon sa Mindoro. Ako taga-Jinsan, parang lang naman kami mga pero it's the best here. It's the other side of the world. Can we go to the Pluto?
Guys, smile. Yeah. Guys, di ba maganda ang view? Alam mo, mas maganda na view. Love you. I love you. Ikaw ka
Sorry, Joe. Kanjay siya, Mr. O.
Wow. Hello, Mr. O. I'm Malay, Mr. O. And my husband, Jason. And this is my mother. This is my mother. This is my mother.
Hello, nice to meet you. I looked you up on Google and
Oh, 감사합니다.
the number of followers on your Instagram is like over 2 million and same with TikTok.
Oh, 감사합니다.
We feel honored to have you here and show you around. It means a lot to us to have you here. Hopefully you have a good time and tell the Filipino Korea and Gyeonggi province.
Wow. This is Gyeonggi province in Korea. So talagang, ikuan talaga natin to kay masarap daw dito, maraming kang mapupuntahan daw dito guys. Nahihirapan ako kay English pa to siya. What's you gonna do today?
So what you're seeing around this premises is rice paddies. This is real rice paddies. In the city of Gimpo, part of Gyeonggi. And the activities that you're going to engage in are you're going to make your own hot chili paste.
Yeah.
AKA gochujang.
Gochujang.
Actually, that's one of our favorite.
Favorite dish.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Especially my mother.
Oh, okay.
Favorite, but the almoranas is always on the go. Gochujang.
So we're excited to see how it's
Done.
done.
Because my mother is
Alam niyo yung tape? Hindi, lipstick mo nandito.
Akala na nagaling-galing natin pero pinahiya mo kami sa harap ng commissioner dito sa Gyeonggi ha.
Tatay yung
I
lipstick
think
mo.
she's hungry a little bit.
Yes, hungry. And
Always,
it's not
always.
obvious that my mother is sleeping well.
Right flat yung
Ang
ulo.
flat ng likod niya. So, let's go, sir.
Alright, mabuhay once again. Alright.
Kamsahamnida.
Okay, let's go.
Very welcoming talaga sila, guys.
He is the founder of this place.
안녕하세요.
Ano nga kayo? Malay.
멜라이라고
Mr. Chong Sok.
He's a real
Nice
farmer.
meeting you.
Real farmer.
진짜 농부시라고 제가.
We are very proud because when we see the place, very clean and very organized the rice terraces, and we are very amazed to that kind of very organized. Sabi mo, dali English. You're a good farmer in this. Kamsahamnida.
So parang ito yung mga kasi mga kumbaga
So, gusto na i-promote ang Gyeonggi province
kasi
dahil
puro-
ang Gyeonggi is meron ding ibubuga sa tourism.
yes.
And kumbaga sa Gyeonggi
May lugar
province,
din sila na-
ito ang the best. Gyeonggi province dito mismo sa Gimpo.
Gimpo.
Kaya minsan daw talaga dito daw talaga ginawa yung kantang Gimpo. Gimpo.
Gimpo yun.
Gimpo. Talaga.
He said this is a very busy season for planting the rice.
So ito pala ang kuan talaga, rice capital city of the Korea.
Can I ask what is this? Why you have so many like what's that?
Okay, very good question. These are the jars, like containers.
Containers.
For gochujang or sardine sauce.
But in the Philippines, we put there the
Plants.
no the plants.
These are not pots, a little
Not
bit.
that. Ito yung aswang yun. Sa kwento yun si Kratel and Rolly. Hindi yan aswang sa banga.
We put undin there. In
In the Philippines, like scary creatures living in there. In the Philippines.
Ah, nice.
Like this.
Something.
So we're gonna see.
We're gonna see. You're gonna make yourself some Korean food. Gochujang.
Please. Please. Oh my God, welcome to Milan.
Galing no, may pag ganun-ganun pa sila.
Kamsahamnida, thank you for welcoming us here, sir. Sir President and Madam Vice President. Many Filipino love this food, love this ingredient, but didn't know where it came from.
Yeah, at least today we will know how it
To Carabao.
how the Carabao.
Oh, we know how to do it, and we will share
How
it to them.
it's done.
And someday, if they go to the Korea, they will visit Gimpo, here in Gyeonggi Province. It's just 2 hours from Seoul.
1
If
hour,
not traffic,
no
1 hour. If traffic, 2 hours. Just honest. So let's gonna start it. Pupunta kayo dito, mag-reservation kayo. Ilagay namin dyan sa low ang email or saan pwede kayo mag-reserve para makapunta kayo dito at matry nyo itong gawin lahat. Sabi talaga pinagandaan talaga nila to guys. Sa mga mukha namin, mukha lang kami mga kuwan talaga guys. We're very shy to this kind of preparation. Can we quit this job? So pwede pala talaga dito mag-walk-in din. How much is the reservation? 25,000 won kasama na to. The experience is you cannot pay it. The experience is the best. Smella, look at this. Oh, they gave it. Dito kay Stella to. They give it to you. Say thank you. It's like a princess. You are light to my darkness. I just realized.
Guys, we're going to make a gochujang.
So let's start it.
She's the one who explained how to make a gochujang today.
네,
Miss Che.
Yeah, Miss Chair.
여러분한테 맛있는 고추장을 만들 수 있도록 잘 설명해 드리겠습니다.
I will explain for you guys how to make gochujang for today.
Thank you.
At nandito na nga kami sa Gimpo, Gyeonggi Province, Korea. At ang first activity namin ay gumawa ng gochujang o hot chili paste gamit ang jochung o rice syrup. Madali lang siyang gawin guys ha, dahil naka-ready na lahat ng mga ingredients at kami na lang ang magmi-mix. I feel so amazed because I watched Janggyum Jewel in the palace because she has many food that's very okay to the health of the king. So I think I flashback this. I feel like I'm Janggyum. It's very special dahil traditional way ang paraan ng gagawin namin. Isa ito sa mga program na ino-offer ng Rice Flower Farm if ever na makapasyal kayo dito. Best for family bonding and at the same time, makaka-experience mo yung gumawa ng authentic Korean recipe na gochujang. Basta Korean food, hindi ito mawawala sa kainan dahil partner ito ng kanilang everyday dishes. The best experience ito at sana ay ma-experience nyo din.
Guys, I made mine.
Wow, good job.
Yan, nakagawa na ako ng sariling
Gochujang.
gochujang.
I will gonna business it in the Philippines. Can we work here?
So the purpose of this experience is sharing the good memories while we are making together.
Come sum it up for that kind of message. All these are amazing experience with the bonding of the family. Number 2, to know the origin, how it began, it was made. And 3, to know that what is the benefit of the fermented food to the
And how important is to
experience is the best with the best teacher of making the gochujang. A very welcoming hospitality is the best and a very cozy place. It's all about rice talaga dito sa Rice Flower Farm.
This is the example how to make the rice cake, the teacher made. So you have to do like this.
And then we can eat it.
Yeah, sure.
When we watch the Korean drama, there's so many like that.
Yeah, right. In Korea, we love to eat the rice cake. In Korean language, we call tok. Tok. Tok is a rice cake in Korea. Okay, please welcome our new teacher for making. So today I will explain how to make a honey rice cake. Please wear the gloves.
Please wear the gloves.
Next naman namin na gagawin ay ang Korean rice cake or tok, a sweet Korean dessert na similar sa ating mga kakanin din sa Pilipinas. Dali na lang din ang paggawa nito dahil naka-ready na at prepared ang mga rice cakes. Kami na lang mag-mold at maglagay ng design. Na-enjoy ko ang activity na ito at parang nga kaming nag-attend ng cooking school dahil may teacher pa kami na very hands-on sa pag-guide sa aming ginagawa.
Pero ang pangit ang mga gawa na, pero parang paigit na yung sa'yo. This is wasabi. And this is sashimi. Okay? And this is a ginger. My father is here. This is my father. Kiss. Oma. Kiss opa. Sarap.
In Philippines, this is what we call palitaw.
In Philippines, palitaw. White sugar, sesame seed, and coconut. My ate is very beautiful. Yes. Alam mo, tina-charge-charge namin sila, pero talaga, gusto talaga namin itong mga take-home talaga. Is there any activities?
At lastly, gagawa din kami ng 3-color fruit mochi. Looks so yummy talaga. Ang dali lang din gawin ito. I really love this experience, guys. Pwedeng-pwede sa kids like me. Doing stuff like this makes me feel I can do more household activities like cooking. Kaya nga nang sabi ni Mama, ang daming pwedeng gawin at puntahan dito sa Korea. Kahit sa province pa ang itinerary mo, ang dami nilang activities na pwede i-offer na perfect for family bonding gaya nito.
There's something that tastes that brings back memory. 1, 2, 3. Ay, pasalubong na ako sa mga pinsan ko sa Jensen.
I have 4 gamit. Kayo 3 lang.
I have 5.
Galing, no? Paano tayo nagawa talaga doon?
Yung project, no? Can we use it?
No. Ako lang tapos si Papa.
Ay.
Yo.
Parang nandiri na sila.
Sabi niya, it's iwi.
Iwi. Iwi the face.
Class of today, yeah, please clap for her.
Kamsahamnida.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, kimchi! Smile! Thumbs up!
Dito sa Korea, hindi lang sa Seoul ang maraming mga tourist destination, kundi pati din sa Gyeonggi. Binigyan nila kami dito para malaman kung ano yung mga pwede nating puntahan, yung mga ganito, mga pwede nating puntahan, Sinbok Resort Spring Fall, Herb Island, Sanjong Lake. Dito kasama na rin ditong Atolo Garden. So marami pala talaga dito. So many hotels here also. Marami din siyang mga botanic garden na pwede mga puntahan, museum. Kasi kung tinatanong niyo kung saan ako pwede pumunta sa Korea na malapit sa Seoul.
Grabe din ang sinerve nila dito sa cafeteria, guys. Food overload kami lagi.
This is her, the king of rice.
Sulit talaga ang pagpunta namin dito sa Ripe Flower Farm.
Ito pa made of rice, pop rice. Bili tayo nito. Gonna taste it. And ito yung store din nila, guys. Oh, may rice sila. Dito lahat ng mga store nila. Pwede rin kayong kumain din doon sa taas. Malaki talaga siya, guys.
So relaxing ng ambience at ma-feel mo talaga na sa Korea ka.
This vlog is in partnership with the Korean Tourism Organization Manila office.